Well, guys, I come by this old Baler here, and I noticed my tire was flat. And I got looking. Can y'all believe that? This thing blew out sitting here. And that had some good tread on it. I mean, that tread's deep. And the tire's not dry rotted. But it just blew the fuck out. Damn. Now I gotta find another tire. I ain't sure what size it is. I think it's 15s. So this one's got good tread on it too. I hope it don't blow out with me. I don't even see a damn size on there. Radial, yeah. 16 and a half, 15s. So, gotta find a 15-inch tire. And I believe I might have one fit that. I'm not sure. I can't believe that. Blowed out sitting here. I guess the sun just heated up and I must have too much pressure in it or something, but massive failure.